everybody, DJ Pops here. Yeah, and we're back again. Yeah, guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do the shapes. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, okay? We're gonna start off, let's talk about a circle, okay? Circle, it goes like around and around like this. Here, let me draw it for you. Yeah, so yeah, you go around and around. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, good, okay. All right, now we're gonna do a square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, yeah. Okay, let me draw it for you. Yeah, let me. Oh, scribble it in a little bit. Yeah, there you go. This is great. I'm having so much fun. Yeah, we're learning the shapes, okay? All right, the next shape is a triangle. The next shape is a triangle. It has 3 sides. 3. Okay, so you start at the top, you draw the line down here a little bit, and then you go around here, and you draw it back up. 1, 2, 3. Scribble it in a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's a triangle. Okay, now let's do the rectangle, okay? This will be our last one for today. Rectangle, okay? Here we go. Go in here. Bottom, longer than the square, yeah. Because it's not even sides. The square has even sides. The rectangle has 2 sides that are longer. Yeah. Well, that's great. Yeah. Doing pretty good on the drawing, DJ Pops. Thanks. Yeah, all right. Well, we got it here. All right, everybody say yeah, yeah. We cheer each other on when we're learning, okay? Yeah. You guys are hoping I do good. I hope you do good. You gotta be nice and polite with your friends and encourage one another. Encourage is when you uplift each other. You say good words and kind things to people, and they get uplifted. They get happy. That's what I'm trying to say. You get happy by saying good things to people, okay? All right, well, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. All right, with another episode of DJ Pops. And I'll see you on the next channel. Yahoo!